we are not going to Rome because we don't have much time. So we stay near the port. There's a city called what? Civitavecchia. I think I butchered the name. But anyway, somewhere near the port, 1 hour away from Rome. I've been there. Mama been there. Gaga and Mimi never been. Look at this. Somewhere along, there's a lot of fort. Right, Gaga? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Still here so that people can remember this kind of thing. Wow, smells so good, Mel. No, it's a pastry. Who smells good? Okay, our boat is right there. Our vessel. Okay.
Look, I'm sitting on the cannon.
Wait, Gaga, don't scare me. Ooh. Now it became an apartment and.
Why do you think these windows and doors all have these kind of shield? They hold it back?
Look.
No, this is the mounds of the building.
All the Take a guess. Take a guess.
For natural. No, wait. I know. So,
See, I gave you a hint. We are near the sea. We.
Hey, you're not doing it. Maybe if.
You want a video now?
Maybe.
Okay, hold on. Yes, hurricane. Something, you know. I don't know. We might not know. Okay. Huh?
Some of them they just have no hole.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. We have 3 hours to spend in this town. Let's roam around.
Roam around? Oh, now I get the joke.
Yep, and there's our cruise right there. It looks small, but it's not. Pretty big. It's a huge one. What a relaxed afternoon. Love it. We can go into this fort. I thought you want to be a zoologist. I thought you. No, 不要给他，不要给他，不可以给他的。Thank you. Yes.
Look at this.
Now Lola is becoming an explorer. Keep taking picture for no reason. Let's go.
Look.
I know. Do you know how to pronounce that? Town? Neither do I. Okay. We're heading this is a walking path, and to see what's going on. Mama is a leader, along with Mei, and our job is what? Security. We're watching from the back, and then we look. Mama is like scouting for shopping.
here.
Thank God it's locked. Yes, they are closed.
One more. It's two.
What do you have, Mei? Slime ball? Oh no. Oh, you have a big ball.
Big ball. Thank you.
What about me?
No, you didn't do anything.
No, you said I didn't do anything. You said you said I didn't do anything.
Open it.
Okay.
No. No, open it.
Look at a dumb guy. And then you open it. Look at it. So dumb. No, you did not finish yet, Mei Gaga. Okay, it's on the street. Who is this Japanese guy here? Okay, get away, get away. Unfortunately, I don't understand. Just walk into a little shack. We are longing for a cup of Italian coffee. Can't wait. Oh, this is real coffee. Don't lose your card.
I stopped recording.
Why?
I'm going through security.
True.
And give me back the card, okay?
Let's go, dinner time.
Yeah.
Let's go, dinner time. We promise. Mama.
What did you do?
Yeah, 去邊啊？你今日啊？
羅馬。
羅馬
我看到那个什么人讲，
鬥獸場。
斗兽啊，场有，哎，你在看谁？哎呀，
咩咩？
他女儿最近面
Okay, thank you very much. Wow, 開心啦有人。都冇省過啊！喂，our second dinner.